Okay, so in this kit, you'll get one 16-ounce double-walled tumbler. You'll get your main Melanin Magic vinyl decal for the front of your tumbler, and then you'll get the names of 23 amazing women who absolutely embody Melanin Magic. Then you'll get a transfer sheet for your main decal along with 4 smaller ones for your names. You'll get an alcohol wipe and a white PVC card, and then you'll also get a really great info sheet that tells you a little bit about each woman that's on the list. In the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to prepare the tumbler. We're going to take the top off, and then I'm going to grab my alcohol wipe, and I am going to take this and wipe down the whole surface of the tumbler. This will get rid of anything that might be on it, any debris or any oils. We just want the surface squeaky clean. In step 2, we're going to go ahead and apply the transfer sheet to the main decal. I really do recommend working with the Melanin Magic decal first because it kind of sets the stage for the rest of your tumbler. So I'm going to remove that backing from that transfer sheet and place it right on top of our decal here. Then I'm going to use our white PVC card and I'm going to burnish using firm pressure. And this will make sure that our sentiment goes from that backing to the sticky transfer sheet. And then when I'm ready, I'm going to bring our tumbler back into play. Now you can either lay the tumbler down or work with it standing up. I find it easier working with it standing up, but for the sake of the camera, I'm going to lay it down and just kind of stabilize it with a couple of things of paint. I'm going to carefully remove the backing from our main decal, and then I am going to carefully lay this down right on our tumbler. Now the great thing about this tumbler is that it's absolutely customizable. However you want to put it on your tumbler, go for it. But what you want to do is you want to press firmly, and you see I'm working from the middle outward. And once I have it down the way I want it, I'm going to carefully, using patience, peel back that transfer sheet, and my whole sentiment just stay right there on the tumbler. Perfect. Now step 4 is where the fun really begins. This is where we're going to be able to apply our vinyl names. And again, this tumbler is fully customizable. So you can choose the names that really mean something to you, really stand out to you, and place them on the tumbler. So I'm just going to put that small piece of transfer tape down right over a name, burnish using firm pressure. Then I'm going to remove that right off the list, and then place it right the way I want it on my cup and press firmly. And then we're going to slowly peel away that transfer sheet. The name should stay right there on the tumbler. And now step 5 is repeat to customize your tumbler. You can put the names on there however you'd like. You can add names. You can add your name if you like. I'm adding my mom's name right now, so you could add names that really mean something to you. This font is called Atlantic Cruise. You can find it free on dafont.com. I'll put the link down in the description box so you can go grab that and add names if you like, or if you don't want to add names, use the names that are already on the list. This is your tumbler. You can do it however you want. And you'll notice that I'm kind of being haphazard with how I put it on there, but some of us are, planners, so we like to plan how we're going to put these names on and be a little more intentional. Do whatever is comfortable for you. The great thing about this is that it's your tumbler. No 2 tumblers will be the same. You can go for it and do your own thing. All right, and my tumbler is done. I love how this turned out. A couple of notes. You want to make sure you're hand washing this only, and then before you use it for the first time, allow the vinyl to set up for about 24 hours. As always, I would love to see how your projects turn out. So please, please, please tag me on Instagram at Shawnna and use the hashtag Creative Daze. Until next time, you guys, enjoy the creative days.